Okay, so for this project, you're going to need the Mammoth Elephant goodie bag, which I've already cut out 2 pieces right here in white, so you need that 2 times. Then also with the goodie bag, it comes with this little die here, and I cut out the green that's going to go on top of the front of the goodie bag. Then optional, if you decide you want to, you may want to add one of the cute little tags, and this is also from the goodie bag. So you may want to cut one of those out. Piece you're going to need out of the Snowman Deer edition, you're going to want to use the face. So I've already got that cut out here. And then you're also going to want to cut it out again in dark brown, which is going to be this piece, and you're going to use this piece to trim that down. And then you're going to need the nose piece, and I cut it in black. You're going to need the one that has the little line on it, just like this. So I've already got that cut out. And then you're also going to need the hair bow, and I cut it out twice with the red. And that is all that you're going to need from that collection. Then if you have the Santa and Elf collection, you're going to want the piece that is for the Santa's face that looks like this. So I cut that out twice. That's going to be your ears. I cut that in dark brown. And then also from that same collection, you're going to want this piece, which is the eyes or nose in that collection. And you're going to want that because it gives it a little bit of a bigger eye. So I cut that out twice in black to give me the eyes. So I got all those pieces cut out. So that's all you're going to need. And then you're also, actually you need one piece. So then you also need the grassy border. I only have the one from Lawn Fawn, so I've already cut out a piece of the grass as well for the bottom of the goodie bag. So let's go ahead and get started at putting this together. Okay, so for the first step, let's go ahead and get our goodie bag put together. Now you could go ahead and get if you want to put it all together first and get it glued on here and then put this together, you can. But I like to put together my bag first. So what I'm going to do is you're going to take your bone folder and you're going to go ahead and get all your lines creased. So for the next step, you're going to, I like to put mine together like this. So I'm just going to use my Lawn Fawn glue because that's the one that I like the most for using for these projects. I don't think it's as heavy as the Tombow, and it glues super fast and works really well. All right, so once I've got those pieces, I'll go ahead and get this piece, glue on this piece, and get them down. All right, so once I get that side, I'll just move on to the next. So once you have it together, it's going to look like this. And so I'll go ahead and I'm going to pop this piece on the front here, just like this. And whenever you cut these out, it kind of gives it like an embossing here on the front, which I love. And this just kind of goes right in the middle of that. So all I'm going to do is take my same Lawn Fawn glue, go all the way around my edges. All right, so just like that. So now we can go ahead and move on to our puppy face here. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take that base here, and you could cut this out in any color that you want to, but I really liked it in the browns. So then the next piece you're gonna want is your darker brown piece right down here at the bottom. All right, just like this. So it's a pretty quick project. So then for the next piece, I'll go ahead and pop on my ears. I just get a little bit here on the edges, just like this, and then go ahead and pop those in. Just like that. And then on this one, you're just going to flip it in the opposite direction. All right, just like that. And then you can take your hair bows and put these just right there. These would also be really cute with some pattern paper too. All right, just like that. Now we can go ahead and move on to our nose and eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop down the nose. So I'm just gonna get a little bit of glue on here as well. Get that pop down here. Just like that. Then you're gonna take your eyes. And get these popped down just like this. All right, just like that, and you got your super cute puppy face. Then you can take your white gel pen and go ahead and get like a little mark on your nose, and then you can go ahead and do the same with your eyes. Just to kind of go ahead and give this a little bit more texture, if you will. So then I add a little bit of dot here. You can do whatever you want to do, but I just kind of giving it a little bit more stuff. So just like that, just to kind of give it a little bit more. And then what I'm going to do is take my black pen here and draw on the rest of the mouth. All right, just like that. Then I'm going to take my gel pen again and go ahead and get my dots on here. Just like that. Super cute. And then, so now once you have that done, you can come back and we're going to add this right down here. So all I'm going to do is add a little bit of glue on the back of this. Just like that. And pop it down just like this. And I just kind of get my hand down in here or my bone folder and rub on the back side of this. Just like that. All right, and then I'm going to take my grass here and get this lined up as best as possible and kind of get it trimmed down to where I want it to be. So I just go ahead and take my grass here, get a little bit of glue here on the back, and get that popped down. right, looking pretty cute. So you could either leave it open just like this, or you can go ahead and add some ribbon. I'm going to use, and both of these are from Hobby Lobby, and like I said, I buy mine whenever they're 50% off, so they make them $1 overall. I'm just using some brown here, and then some black and red checkers. So I'm going to mix these two together. Just kind of get me a good size going on here. I'm going to trim this down. Then all I'm going to do is come through the back side here. I'm going to get my first knot going just like this to kind of tighten it down. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring that knot to the front. So hopefully you guys can see that. And then I'm going to loop around to make my bow. Just like that. I'm going to trim these down. Just like that. Super cute. And then you could take a little bit of twine and add your little tag right in there, just like that. So won't that be super cute? So I think these would be cute for Christmas, or even like I said before in all mine, just, you know, birthday party, just classroom treat bags or anything like that to give to a friend. I just think it's super, super cute. This is just another option with the Mama Elephant treat bag to take two different add-ons and create this super cute one. So I hope you guys found this helpful. If you did, please hit the like button down below and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.